Welcome to Popple Battle. This is a game where you choose three abilities and you try to make combos with it against three or less other people. So today I'm going to do with this combo and try to win with this combo. This is a combo that I myself developed, or at least am the only person that I have seen use this consistently. So this is a combo where you grapple the mine and then you do that. It's like a parachute in this game. It can sometimes work like this. So yeah, more like a parachute. It can sometimes even go to the other side of the map, and if that does, you can sometimes save it with casting yourself, but that doesn't always work. So yes, that's what we are going to do today. We're going to try to play with that combo and get kills. I don't know. So yes, we are going to play some games now. Let's hope we have fun. So yeah. Normally with this combo, I just fool around because it is a meme combo. So meme combo in my standards means that it doesn't really defeat people. So I just do this. And the other abilities that some person have, like the yellow guy, his combo is no, well, he will grapple a person and then he will just rock himself. So yeah, and that's a pretty deadly combo. This guy doesn't really have a combo, but yeah, look what the yellow just did. He can do that if he aims correctly. Grapple isn't just immortal string that tethers you to some other blocks. You can save yourself from a grapple with just a grapple, a teleportation, a drill, and sometimes even a gust, and that. So yeah, I'm going to cut to until we get more players to play with. And we're back. Like now, we already have a person. I normally like to play with 3 or 4 persons, because I don't like really 1v1ing everybody. So yeah, we got a new game, and we're going to try to play it with again. Yeah. So yeah, this is not really. You can't really do much with this meme combo I got, but yeah, sometimes it's pretty fun. Gust, like you saw, can move platforms, and platforms defeat or defeat persons if they get squished in between two platforms. So yeah. Oh, and there in these games there's water, not in space maps like this one, but in the games they have water, and water can bounce ray guns like this yellow thing that Black just shot, and even the big ray gun. So yeah, that's one of the cool things about this game. But it is pretty hard to play with this meme combo I got, because I don't really want to be super aggressive with the power. I more like want to be just a passive guy. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Also, if you can do this if you are grappled, and that's a fun thing. And yeah, if platforms are smaller, this ability that the Black uses, the first one, this one, it can move platforms. And if somebody does that, it's pretty hard to catch them and defeat them. So yeah, that sometimes happens. The most... Anyways, yeah, we're going to play something more. Look, and just now I saved myself from being killed by the arrow by parachuting myself into this platform. So yeah, that's basically the way this works. It is pretty good. And yeah, you can do this. Grappling saves you from the magnet. That the magnet can disturb projectiles and other thingamabobs. Like, yeah, the magnet can pick up projectiles and other players. So, yes, that's basically it. Okay, we're lagging. One annoying thing in this game is that sometimes the game can just start lagging like that, and then in a couple seconds or minutes it will kick you from the game, so you have to search for new players. Normally it means if it starts lagging that you are the person lagging and it will kick you, because the game also gives the lag to every other person, like I think to every other person, like one person lags, like I lag, and the lag is distributed to every other person, I think. And so yeah, the person that lags gets kicked out and everybody else with him. Sometimes they can stay in the game and not get kicked out, so that's fun. But yeah, let me get back to you when I am with other players. And we have found another player. So I am going to wait for a little bit longer to get a third player. Because like I said, I like playing against more people than just one person. So yeah, sometimes it takes really long for another player to come up, but sometimes it does not, so it's fun. And now we have got the 3-person again, so we're going to play for some time. So yeah, I tried to jump down to the lower platform, but it does not always work because sometimes you are just stuck on a platform until so you need to press jump multiple times. I could have almost saved myself, but these people don't really like me playing passive right now. So, if you guys don't mind, I will play another meme combo that I really much like. It's this combo where I can make platforms like as this as this as this one can make go fast. So yes. So yes, it's a pretty fun combo. It's a meme combo, like I said. It doesn't normally defeat people with its own like grenades or something like those guys are throwing. It makes platforms go better. So and people don't expect it to just kill them because normally they wouldn't get a platform that will crush them. So yeah, it does that. So sometimes it's pretty fun. So yeah, right now that person will be dead because he can't really save himself. Except of course if he kills himself, because that green circle is like a reviver, and that makes people revive like that. But yeah, I won because he ran out of platforms to throw. Yes, in these games there is a ability that makes platforms a throwable object. So yeah, that purple guy just, I don't know why, but wanted to kill me. Anyways, this is a fun game. Uh, One of those things that is so I don't know why I did that. Uh, I really thought I was not going to fall, but that's a problem with Gust. It just this ability Gust can make platforms go flying away, and this rocket, this guy makes that the platforms don't just bounce back like normally the Gust does. But yeah, that's basically it. Well, not basically it, but it's the it of these combos I like. I am going to play now with my first plan of the parachute combo, like I like to call it. So I'm going to play passive. Oh, one thing that I can do with this combo is that I can one thing that I can do with this combo is I can make no I can cast or wind burst the mines to other people so they will blow up. So yeah, that's fun. Sometimes the ghost can deflect missiles, but it really isn't that great at it, because like you saw, I casted the missile should have gone away, but it didn't. So yes, that's so fun. Yep. That's fun. Feels like purple is kind of a sweat, and that's annoying. So yeah, that's a bit annoying. So there's also draws, like that big mine just came in and exploded. I wanted to revive so I could win, but it isn't always that fast. So yeah, that's a thing that you can do also with the parachute. Because in this game the grapple has that ability, if you are close to another person, you can make the other person be grappled, and that's pretty fun. So I grappled him to the purple thing, and not to the mine, so that was really fun. One thing I really like about this the map is that I can be grappled to the platforms and get flinged around. But that doesn't always work, because Black Black here has also a mine, so he also will have mines that will come after me and explode me. And in the last game, like you saw, I wasn't in danger of a mine, but the mine's explosion can go through platforms and knock back platforms if the mine is big enough. So yeah, that's a thing that sometimes happens. So yeah. Also, yes, if somebody makes the platform big, it also will crush a person. And I seriously wanted to grapple that platform or that platform to stay alive, but it doesn't always work out like that. Yeah. I tell you, I'm not really bad at this game. I right now just I'm speaking, so I don't really mind losing. And I know it's a meme combo, so that's one why I also do not just mind losing. So yes, that's a thing I like to do. Yep, that ability that I just used is a ground pound. You charge it up if you want to, and it will kill anybody who gets in the way of it. So that's fun, yes. The missiles can also come there where you are shooting. So, well, anyways, it comes to from your top of the head. So, if you are some other place, like do it here, then you don't really have to aim. So that's pretty fun. So yeah, that's basically it. And cost stops your movement for some time, so that's also fun. And yeah, so if you are about to get costed, you can cost yourself to not move. Like that purple guy, I also try to cost the ground pound away, but that does not work. So yeah. Like yeah. Ground pound is pretty okay, but it does not really do anything. If you are ground pound against a mine, you will be safe because you move so fast. I think that's how it works. If there's no ground below you, you just get thrown in the water, or in this case, the space. So that's a lot of fun. Now, black tried to win, but white, no, the laser is too good against the spinning platforms. So yeah, that happens. Like other person can also cast your caster or be casted, and yeah, that's basically it. And yes, cast also makes people fly. So yeah, uh, we're going to try now to get another person if that guy does that, but I don't think so, so we're gonna do this. So yeah, let's sit in silence for some time until people come. So looks like we got another person. So yeah, just a bit more waiting. Like I said, I like 3 or more persons because that just is a bit fun, more fun or something like that. So yeah, because here in this game you can team. Some people like to do it because they are using no skill combos. So I don't know, let's just do this. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to use my other meme combo again because it is fun and it's better against meme users. Yep, you can do this and that's a lot of fun. So yeah. And yes, if one person of the team dies and the other person wins, they both win. So yeah. Now I am waiting to get some ability from here or there, so I could have a better chance at winning. So yeah, this is a chance to yeah, like I just did there. I dashed away from the mines and I was far enough so the mines won't explode. So yeah, that's a lot of fun. Yeah. But yeah, sometimes, like I said, the Gust and Rocket ability work really good to surprise people because they won't expect that it will kill them. And that mine was right there, so and I couldn't dash away fast enough, so I died. So yeah, that sometimes happens. It's really fun that those two teamers, white and purple, don't really have a no skill combo. So yeah, it's a lot of fun that they don't just no skill us and try to defeat us. And also the mines, your own mine can explode on you if you go against it, like the mine is right here and you walk on it, it will damage you. So yeah. So yeah, like I said, missiles, they can be aimed, but they are just faster if you don't aim them, so that's really fun. And yeah, you see teamers, they both win and get the point, so that's some fun. So right now I am the only person against the teamers, so I'm going to try to win. Let's try it again. I'm not teaming. Okay. Let's start then. Exodia! Funnily enough, those teamers are not teaming anymore, so that's a fun. I'm gonna do this game more, and so yeah, like you saw, that guy just teleported, so we don't really have any more like chances to defeat him. Teleporting is a pretty fun ability, and the power of it is pretty big if you pair it with something other. So yeah, like you just saw, that buff guy made a platform, and that platform crushed the purple guy. So that's a lot of fun. Black holes are one of the most destructive things in this game, because black holes, and you can't really do anything about them. Also, you die if you go out of bounds. The parachute really doesn't help that you'll go out of bounds. So yeah, that's pretty fun. And because that person instinctively put down his or her revive to the bottom of the screen, she or her or he died the moment that they touched the space. So yeah, that sometimes happens. You instinctively put down a revive. So yeah, I'm going to be AFK for a second, but you guys can still watch the game. So now I am back again, and it looks like it's gonna be fun. Yeah, somehow I didn't die, so those people are really kind. And there is a platform, and I like that platform because you can almost do anything. So yeah, because Blue was on the corner of my platform, he got crushed when that corner went against another corner. So in a couple of minutes, we're going to end my first video. So if you won't mind, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe, and I'll see you I think tomorrow to test out the other combo of the fast platform. So yes, see you tomorrow. I am